Someone asked whether we can create a gold loan management app. So now using Flutter, we're going to build this gold loan management app in Google's free anti-gravity code editor. Not only that, the default Flutter UI of this app will be converted into a dark mode gold theme design using just a single screenshot. We're also going to see how this app runs across multiple platforms. That means we'll check how it loads as a web app, how it runs on macOS, and how it runs on iPhone. The gold price shown inside this app is real data. We are fetching it using a real API. For development purposes, they provide a free API usage limit. Using that, we have fetched live pricing data. Now let's see the complete process of how to build this. First, let's go to the terminal. Inside the development folder, I'm going to create a new folder called Gold Loan App. We are creating it in Flutter so that it follows Flutter's default codebase structure. Now you can see it has been created successfully. Again, inside the terminal, I'm entering the Gold Loan App folder. All the files are now available here. Now I'm opening anti-gravity. I'm selecting the Gold Loan App. The full folder has loaded. I'm setting it to full screen. On the right side, we need to enter the prompt. Let's check which simulators are available. For now, I'm opening the iPhone 16e simulator. To check whether it's detected, I'm selecting Flutter devices. Okay, it's detected. iPhone 16, macOS, and Chrome are available. Now let's open the app in iPhone 16e and check. Okay, it's opened. This is the default Flutter app. Since it loaded successfully, everything is set up correctly. Now to fetch the real gold price, I'm using a platform called Metal Price API and generating an API key. I have signed up for a free account. In the free account, they provide 100 requests per month. That's enough for simple app development. So for this video purpose, I'm using the Metal Price API key. I've also explained this in Perplexity that we need to build a gold loan app with specific screens. I have provided all details including that we'll use the Metal Price API key. Now a master prompt has been generated. I'm copying the entire prompt and pasting it into anti-gravity. Whether it's planning mode or Gemini 3 Pro, I'm clicking next. This is the default functionality of the app. When you click the plus icon, the count increases. Now it has created a task list. Gold loan development tasks are clearly defined. Project setup, API integration, UI, UX design, feature implementation. I already explained in the previous video why we use Flutter. We can build for multiple platforms at the same time. There are alternatives like React Native, which we can explore in future videos. For now, we are focusing on building an effective, simple app using Flutter. Not just the task list, it has also defined the implementation plan. It clearly specifies which API key is being used. I am copying the Metal Price API key for now. It analyzed each file in detail and defined the implementation plan accordingly. Project setup is done. Now API integration and UI UX design are in progress. If you have any different opinion about the implementation plan, you can comment on that specific section and it will read that comment too. Now it's completing each task one by one. The build is complete. In the workflow, you can see how the calculations are done. I'm pasting the API key where required. I'm updating the currency to USD. I have also specified that the base price should be converted to Indian rupees. Now everything is completed. I am clicking accept. The walkthrough shows exactly where to paste the API key. We've done that. Now I am reloading the terminal. When I run it again, I get several errors. I copy the error and paste it into anti-gravity. It's analyzing and fixing it. Even before previewing, errors appear while running. So I copy only the error and paste it into anti-gravity. Now it says everything is resolved. I run it again, fewer errors now. I copy the remaining few errors, paste them again and run it. Now dynamic loan calculations are implemented. It calculates based on 24 karat purity, weight, purity factor, current gold rate and loan ratio. It automatically builds near accurate gold loan calculations. If needed, we can adjust small details. Now it says everything is fixed. I accept and run again. It runs correctly, but it was previously in inspector mode. I run Flutter again and launch in 17 Pro. A small issue appears. I copy and paste it again for fixing. After fixing, I reload. The UI is updated. The gold rate is coming from live data. One important thing, using the free Metal Price API, we only get yesterday's data because we are using the free version. Also, the API plan is for non-commercial purposes. That's why I mentioned earlier, this is for development purposes. We have a monthly limit of 100 requests. We've used 6 so far. Now let's review the app interface. It shows the current 24 karat gold price. It shows recent EMI payments. We have paid 5 payments of 15,000 each. It shows our gold catalog, 18 karat diamond ring, gold bangles worth 2 lakhs, 22 karat earrings. We can also apply for a new gold loan. If we enter jewelry details and submit, the request goes to the business owner. They can manually review and approve or reject the gold loan. The current UI is basic. Since gold is a premium business, we can change it to a dark UI with gold theme. I copy a good UI screenshot and paste it into anti-gravity. I instruct it to change the interface style but keep existing functionality. It adds this to the task list. Redesign UI with dark and gold palette, add bottom navigation, redesign dashboard, price cards, auto save, quick save, widget updates. After updating, some issues appear. I paste and fix them. Now I rerun the app. Reload won't show changes since it's live data. Now everything is updated. The white design is now converted to dark gold theme. If you want further improvements, you can give more prompts or use inspiration inspiration screenshots from Dribble or elsewhere. This isn't the final design. I just used one reference screenshot. If you have different inspiration, you can use that. Existing functionality works correctly. Only the dog theme price color needs further prompt adjustment. The application is working fine. Additional widgets are added. Auto saving plan, daily, weekly, monthly, automatic gold purchase simulation. There is also a jackpot or lucky draw widget for promotions. Users can join through that interface. The gold catalog and transactions are working. Other details are not functional yet because pages were not created. We can add them later with prompts. Now we tested on iPhone. Let's test as a web app running in Chrome. It opens successfully with the same UI and same codebase. With a custom domain, it can run as a web app. We changed the UI once and it applied across all platforms. Live data is working here too. Next, let's run on macOS. Initially, gold price was stuck loading due to network access issues. I pasted the error, fixed it. After rerunning, live pricing works. Web app works, iPhone works, macOS works. Fixing macOS network error also fixed Android version. In this entire process, we didn't spend any money. Anti-gravity is free, Metal Price API is free for development, and we got the master prompt from Perplexity. We also changed the entire UI using a single inspiration screenshot. At the same time, we tested on iPhone, macOS, and Chrome. With a single codebase, the same functionality runs across all platforms. Multi-platform development isn't only possible with Flutter. There are many frameworks and libraries. We'll see those in future videos, but we'll use the free anti-gravity code editor for all. As requested, we built the gold loan app. If you want to build any other app, comment below. We can experiment with that too. If you like this process, like the video. If you want to learn more about building apps using AI tools, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.